So I saw a mirror on Wayfair, and due to the price, I got an idea that I could recreate my version of it for less. So right now I am in the process of creating this wall mirror. As you can see, I have taped off the area that I intend to cut out from the foam board, and I will cover it with mirror reflective paper as well as bling. I have the mirror covered due to the reflection and the light when I'm recording. So I will come back and show you the part that I have cut out. Okay, I finished cutting out the inner part that I had taped off, and now I am getting ready to add my mirror reflective mirror reflective contact paper and my bling wrap to it. Before mounting it on the wall, I will be using Gorilla tape, double-sided Gorilla tape, in order to hang these. And once I get them hung, I will come back and show you guys what they look like. Okay, I added the mirror reflective paper and the bling, and this is what it looks like. I will hang it up and then come back and let you guys see how it looks on the wall. And here's the finished project. I think that turned out really well. What do you guys think?